In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off the volume limit on your iPhone. The volume limit feature is designed to protect your hearing by preventing the volume from exceeding a certain level. However, if you find it too restrictive and want to increase the maximum volume, follow these steps. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap Sounds and Haptics. After that, scroll down again, and you'll see a section called Headphone Audio, and in that section, you'll see an option called Headphone Safety. Tap on it. Now you'll see an option called Reduce Loud Audio. To turn off the volume limit on your iPhone, simply toggle off this switch. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.